Hello, this is the tutorial for Friday, December 4th in adulting. So today we gave several reminders. Make sure you complete your sneaker activity by posting a pair of shoes to the Padlet and then making sure to explain why those shoes would represent you. If you haven't already, complete your Unit 2 interactive notebook and your final project, and you should be working on Pick 3s and 2s for Lesson 1. You can start on your Pick 3s and 2s for Lesson 2, which I'm going to go over here in a second. We reminded ourselves that our extra credit assignment is due on December 14th. If you want to take advantage of 35 extra credit points, you can by choosing one of the options for the Elf on a Shelf activity. This is posted on Google Classroom along with the missing work set of slides for the current grading period. Anything on there can be completed and you would get full points if you chose to do so. On our daily agenda, there is a link to the announcements from Assistant Principal Ruddy. At the beginning of class, we went over Pick 3s and 2s for Lesson 2. So if you look in your interactive notebook, at the end of Lesson 2, the first one is furnishing a room. So you would find 5 pictures of items that you would purchase for your first apartment or house. List where you found them along with the price, and then explain briefly why you'd like to have them. Your other choice is a housing mood board, where you would include 10 pictures of different types of houses and rooms, and then explain in the text box why you chose the ones you did. You could also do a similar one with clothing. So choose 10 pictures of different types of tops, bottoms, and so on that you like, and explain them in the text box. Once we finished with that, we started on Lesson 3. Let me get up to it. Sorry about that. It's planning for next week. So today we started talking about maintaining healthy relationships. We filled out a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 activity on page 26 in your interactive notebook. So we moved these text boxes over and we listed 5 things that we need in a healthy work relationship, 4 for a healthy in-class relationship, like if we were on campus or in your Zoom meetings, 3 things that we require of our friends, 2 from our family, and 1 from a significant other. Then we moved into doing a want ad. So we created a want ad on page 27. You move the text boxes over and then explain on there what you're looking for in a relationship. Here was the example that I gave. Then we listed at least 10 things that we bring to the table. So you want to list strengths that you have and how you could help the person that you're in a relationship with by the awesome things that your personality brings. I gave you an example on here. Then we went just through some fun things that kids say about love. And we ended class today with love versus infatuation memes. So if you look at page 29 in your interactive notebook, add 3 memes that you think relate to love. So a feeling that's going to last and endures. It includes loyalty and trust, or infatuation, which is more based off of that initial sexual attraction. Or you just are putting this person on a pedestal. You're infatuated with them. This is where we're going to start with class on Tuesday. So make sure you have up to page 29 filled out. If you have questions, let me know. And I hope you have an awesome weekend. See you next week.